Why do R&D tax credits sometimes go unclaimed in the UK? Some businesses may be unaware of the R-DEC scheme, but it's not just about awareness. Many businesses hold back because of hidden barriers. First, there is the belief we're not innovative enough. Business owners picture scientists in lab coats and world-first breakthroughs, not realizing that R&D includes everyday problem-solving and overcoming technical challenges to create new products, processes, or services. Second, fear of HMRC. Some worry a claim is a red flag, and this has increased since HMRC have implemented greater scrutiny. But with solid documentation, tax office inquiries are far less daunting than people may think. Finally, the too hard, too time-consuming mindset. SME leaders are busy, and claims feel overwhelming. Yet with the right guidance, the process is simpler and the benefits can be transformative. Trusted consultants can help identify the R&D, reduce fear, and prepare robust claims, enabling businesses to claim R-DEC with confidence to unlock relief to fuel future innovation. For more information, see links in our video description. Like and subscribe.